Good morning and happy Thursday. Welcome to Word of the Day, boys and girls. You should have your paper from yesterday and something to write with. Today's date is April 23rd, 2020. So we're going to write 4-23-20. Good. And your word today is the word spot. Write the word spot. Spot. If you need more time, pause the video. We're going to keep going. Let's stretch it out. Ready? Spot. Spot. Let's count how many sounds. Ready? Ot. How many sounds in spot? 4 sounds. Good. Okay, what's our first sound in spot? P. Letter P. Making sure we break through the ground. We have to write lowercase p, not capital P. Ah. Ot. Good. Making sure you have your whole word and it's all in lowercase letters, just like mine. You should have the word spot on your paper 2 times now. Spot. Good. Now we need to think of some rhyming words that rhyme with spot. Like spot, shot, hot, pot, caught. I wish I could hear all your answers right now. You guys always think of more rhyming words than I do. Okay, I'm going to be kind of boring and just write the word hot, because right now it is so hot outside. Hot. Hot. But remember, you could write any rhyming word. It doesn't have to be the same as mine. Okay, our sentence today is a big one. Are you ready? I see a big spot on the floor. Say it with me, ready? I see a big spot on the floor. Try and count how many words are in our sentence. Okay, let's do it together. Ready? I see a big spot on the floor. 5 and 3, how many? 8. Yes. But I think there are a lot of sight words in here that you guys already know how to write, and this could go so fast. So we got to start with our first word. What's our first word? I. Remember, whenever we write I by itself, it's always a capital I. Starting at the ceiling all the way to the floor. I, spaceman. See. How do we write the sight word see? Good. S-E-E. Making sure you're writing it with me. I see A. Is that going to be capital or lowercase? Lowercase. Good. Let's read it again. I see a big. You know how to write the word big. We've done it a lot with our word of the day. Let's say the sounds first just to make sure. B-ig. Writing it big. B-I-G. Big. Let's read it. I see a big spot. That's our word of the day. Writing your word. You know what? I don't think I'm going to fit it here very beautiful, so I'm going to go to the next line. Okay, let's read it. I see a big spot on. On is a sight word. Make sure you have your spaceman. O-N, good. You guys are doing great. We're almost done. Let's read it again. I see a big spot on the. How do we write the? Good, T-H-E. We know that sight word. Okay, let's read it. I see a big spot on the floor. Floor is a little tricky. We're gonna write it F-L-O-O-R. Floor. Make sure you have two O's. F-L-O-O-R. Okay, let's read it. I see a big spot on the floor. What do I need at the end of my sentence? Period. Nice job, boys and girls. You just wrote a sentence with 8 words in it. You guys are definitely still getting ready for first grade. I love it. Make sure you read this to at least one person in your family. Have a good day. Bye.